If you say aha na ntete no wo, aha na no kra no wo, aha and encranchen someone no eba. Aha na empowerment into your brain, your mind, your self-being to be able to say yes. From now, I'm wearing my dross. If you can't, then just go away. Tonight on the show, I have my renowned resource persons, young and beautiful. Indeed, we are shining. Krobo will shine.
Oh, yes.
Sweetheart, Gloria is right here with me. And I have Mama Flo, Auntie Flo there. And your one and only, the queen of television. I am the sex doctor. I'm the best ever, the evergreen, the lioness. By his grace, oh, sir. In some panani, but then no, ma'am, home popocra. You best also 1 a.m. no. Then you may and you yamuno are dirty. You best shall see a video on the aged. The mama McQuine, the age when you do the word I got done. Nina, ye becca, a pipe was say, ye be lines and one, I won't sound ever back, waiting yaka. Now I day, ye you are no. I find so and never who. Miss two sweet resource person. Me a Krobo Girls old students. I have formed association. Na nyami adom next year no. Na ye school no Krobo Girls secondary. Say Krobo senior high no. Na I did 90 solid years. Me alma mater, her alma mater, and her alma mater. And no, the great foundation I in our Krobo Girls. And we are different. What we do, how we involve ourselves is so different because the foundation is great. And it's a preparation towards our 90th anniversary, hopefully next year. And yeah, discussing relationship, marriage issues. Now, yeah, the inauguration, Yamiya Dumwa come Saturday, 9th of April, and we'll Sub Salem Park, we'll be fusing it into it. And then I know most of the old girls, the Edley, my classmates, her classmates, everybody is watching. And they'll be who year group at her. Now it's me year group. Easy. There'll be jama, there'll be dancing, there'll be spoon and line, there'll be sack race, there'll be volleyball, there'll be football. So many things. Hey, I'm actually Jamal, okay? Me that's anything. Me that's it. Yeah, Flo is taking it easy. That's right. So we said that me that's it with a swag. But see, dear, let's watch this video. I bet me I'm power ye. Now you who say penny will fear a year. Oh, elderly person, will fear.
Yes, me mommy.
Ma, what didn't fear?
Papa. Mommy is 67. And then Papa is 72.
Right. Auntie Florence, and that's way, or your old student of Krobo Girls, or we at school 1996. And so if you're in a chest as well, she a t-shirt no 1996. And I'll say, mommy is 66, and I Papa is 72. Is it difficult to live with them? When you parents at that age,
Baby cry.
Are you sure?
And you didn't cry.
I didn't see anything.
It's so fun.
Really? Wow. I see. Gloria.
Mama Zimbi.
Oh, Mama Tiase.
Mama Tiase.
Oh, Papa Tiase.
Papa Tiase.
You're blessed.
Thank you.
Oh, where did you hear?
My papa is 70. And I'm Mama is 69.
Wow. Florence said it's not difficult. It's joy to stay with them at that age. Is it true?
Okay, with me, almost mention.
Okay.
Oh, retirement until be almost dying and almost say, but yeah, no, my yeah. But then it's fun in a way. Sometimes, almost mention into offer or cast a bra. I was so jibby, no, I
immediately.
One
immediately at once.
One final caller, a summer.
Yeah.
And those are the difficult parts. But then I think they love their grandchildren. That's the fun aspect of it.
Okay. So it's easy. What of their illness? And now you see, we do some age beer. Ma, we and yeah, most of the and one of my side, they don't come and instruct me here. Do you sometimes feel unfairly, BBC?
Me mommy say, oh yeah, easy going.
Sir?
Although at her age, she comes down to our level. Into your tiase, and I ask you to nase. Into say any bonk, I say, me any bonk on say madam for. Say my friend, maintaining chair, but my friend a day, or no be friend me.
I be how you're doing.
No, be say, na, and then baba. And be saying, and omuba na.
And the grandchildren, no, and it will be so much son. Now, oh no, papa, love line, not to say.
Actually, my papa not our transfer. And say, you need papa and cheddar and na. Mammy and it's na, any grandparents. Hey, and say, offer transfer by and now, they see on any year or what, and yes, so yet a baby.
Okay.
Hey, but mostly every other day, no, me home.
I see. Mama complains about her marriage.
Debbie.
Really? On can't say whether it's sweet, it's bitter,
Debbie.
Or you need to be careful.
Me say na mama no. Say bibi ha ne kura. Say wo humpo.
Really?
Oh, you're so diplomatic.
I
Say
see.
wo kura.
I'll come back to you. Gloria,
Mama,
your parents, who share on marriage life, did you learn anything? Did she inspire you? Did your father do things? Because okay, say miss me worry Debia. Said him papa idea mean so me say me kun bedo me pa. And I said him papa idea Emma or dear no me kon. Did you unya feel bisa?
Papa do a romantic man.
Wow.
My papa dear, you know, almost best try of fear say eu fia ka say we mu de omo nyi so still a ho odo no papa no ne rebet na so obetu akundwa na ne yire aye de ne na say eduane ba obe make sure say ne yire was 7 ne yire first and son no
at
that age omo de omo do ne de nti yesu ya bebre free omo nchen ohun but then papa ne me mama usually no me mama a bit difficult. Set up my papa. Then my mama say, "Papa difficult." Oh, but yeah, shy. Yeah, feel say mama or difficult kakra. Because mama you be or na adwen say oye we ya. She knew how can. Obejai. You know, especially this old age. Or ye be no ka so we di enyema onti ase. Obeka so and then oye next stroke made obeka say ono onim dida, you know.
Next midwife. And easy.
Okay, just so no onim dida. Ni asa say all time na ye dey trim. Say anyama esesa onti ase. Nti yam papa say oh, mommy do oye difficult. Nti na ya of Felisa ye ne dey enkasa. But then in all, their love life is so perfect. It's so nice. It's so romantic, and then we are all learning from them.
Great. Odo Ahomaso near Marina resource person, my schoolmate, my classmate. The Pacho is 99.
99.
Can you be auntie?
Pacho, I'm proud to be 99. Koga.
Koga 99.
Yes.
And you're proud to be
Koga 96.
And I'm Koga 85.
Wow.
Give me the swag, man.
Respect.
Yeah, more. Senior dance, Sanama, da. Yeah, you'll be. And then maybe do her.
Me a homo giant, me Jimmy. Me a homo giant. I sat down on my hard day.
Just say, Jamana, yes, I said, oh, Saturday, they ain't easy at all. But that is Shemima. Yes, penny, no being a bida. Now, who need to Bampensua? Now, they any dear any or dog, I show penny for. Ayane Shrabby Bray. Na yen share ye movie na fe yen twaso Odo Ahomaso ni ana yen ka mebo me share video ni wie na yen fa yen anniversary ni rem then we open phone lines and then we see what we can do next.
Okay.
But that's it. Yo. Okay, shall we please? I say, why inspired Anna when you are Gianna, and out in Sambia Ewa Reho, and Ram Penifoni, no, a one at Dawson. And I almost do Sesame Mensuna. Mumia can a crescent, or won't be who ya ahomiti ye, papa. Nanny Papa brings so a benina chair. Plus a bane, Any a war, Emma yen penny for. Yen anana mo obo ho ane maame tias ne maame tias papa tias ebusu bi ntimi nyi che pa o ene ebinum nso a wo mo nche na ene plans ben ene ye ama wo mo so na me akasa meti we me sa me hwan me ankasa personally anyem bia obra anyankopon edi manim a me boy my plans bi ama me da achi ana ene a mahwe video mi no nyina ya hwe yi ene ye be hye ase adwene se plans ben ene e wo se ye e de ma ye ho se be bia debi ye nyi mu no ankoye ohaw ankoye ye ma ye busua ye nanfofo woni mo bi otu mpatem se na one ne danfofo tie enso e de sabe e bia stroke bi enye dindindin mpo kakra bi ebia yare bi anosuso nso aba kasa nye niti woso bibi enti nafofo kra no omo agya no omo na imu makra moma sa na ebusua mpo eba again plans ene ye ma ye ho but we share video no Florence na eden na efa utim
sesia no se na me sha se kan no me grandparents net na ye enti ye hu se na family no esite
okay
yes you know me bre afri omo nchen but sesia na ye say nuclear family nti amasa extended family setting no say ayira kra nti ye ntumi nsua ne o say esua free your grandparents ni ho nti amasa sesia no nkola no ye lake behind but me I'm very grateful say mama ni papa wo ho a say me ni ho kra omobua ena society no say na eya we look down on when somebody is growing up no onyin kakra pe say hey oh yes Debbie oh hey no yes say na enyo no a say age with age as you are growing na niam esisa until we have to accommodate them.
Wankasa woni wukunu woni weyire woni wo mamo hwe enne oba ne kwa betina mama first na you say na woto say wasesa ho say wasa why kasa fodoto say as why inquisitive kakra as you want to know everything every little thing you see you are asking say no yetimi accommodate wo mo na yankasa kra no plans ben na ye Auntie Gloria
wazimbi
yeah I didn't na munso adwen mu concerning this video any what you've been thinking through.
Me share video no. I'm a bit worried, you know, because all the buy my mohana. Ya no home scrap on how we say bia. Makuba ha we ka say woni aged no e koho. But the back say what say you hunu say age is what inevitable. Oh yeah one day
you get there.
Yeah, you get there. Enti no as we are young no I think say was say your plan ye me to me no you see na ya yenye ndru ho no e was say your plan ye say be ya da che ye nkoye den burden ento ye mba so aside that no say wo maame or grandparents and our aunties me that's on my old I me feel say o ebia wa wo po na say wo pese wo auntie e betina wo nchen o hwewa e was all money bibi enye for free. Me that is
beautiful point.
Yes, it's and you're for free because
great.
Say ukofa obi na o yes aniama na ma wa domestic adwuma ma na obede obetua ni panika eka aha entini say unyu obi na say bia wa volunteer so obeya ma your maame ye wo auntie ana wo grandmother na o hwe wo ba ma wa mepamucho e wo say ye hu say ye ntua omoka.
Hold that point. We'll come back to you. Adeshimama Odo Ahomaso ni. And maybe me catch up sinyame adom. No the yawada any efiada eche yendia. Na mpanifu kuku dama wambetna Odo Ahomaso no. Na omo di adefufru eba emrebia. Enne wakofa obi so mabe boao. Utianika. Wunya ba eba dia. Utianika. Wo maame eba. Utianika. But opeso ye bibia. Ene nuya Gloria. Assign aka edi asoso say e important say oyo maami o oyo ku papa o oyo wu nyo because ubusu ni bia because of obi ba ne beba say school no nkwa obi mana ko school sa addition no person osua mo na ma ana ko osua ensan no adwuma bi ampo ansana bosome sonso a wo di bibi esie baabi so restate yesterday again is great
me say
yes
say ye fa ye busuafo so omombra no omombeboa ye ewofia it's very important say obema nipa ne bibi untumi ntua nipa ne ka bebre but then was wo dream say emi kofa obi a anka nipa na he na mema no ma ye hu say busuafo ne de bia o maame o auntie a waba no aba beboa na say o ma ne hwe o so hu so no so bia wedru na bia ohia bibi pontumi ofere so obebisa ha ena ebia nya bibia wo de be ma no na ye fe ne say ye fa ne say ebe yo okay amane but then it also shows a token of your love so you appreciate the person so hu intimate me pa ye cho obia unim say o mama o papa o boa o die me sere
obusuani bi to wonchen no
to wonchen ne die me pa cho edwuma oye no mane bibi
Medas Gloria na ye kan efie bi aye debate o mo debate o say wo ma chiri ba ne o wo a won tua light bill wo ti fie free wo didi free wo yare amia na me de wo kọ everything me say ntia wo ka nya den ana say me yi so okay me nipa me ni ote me nchen saboso me so a me ma no 50 Ghana cedis e bia ne ni so eno so ba ne den flow
say woni nipa ne betina ase na wona aka na wa hwe na adwen say nia say na woye no say na ni nji ho no so fa na adwen bra na see how best a obetimi aboa ne pakon no but won't mean sorry nka say because o ye menu anti me na me bibia at least say wakofo obi kra na ote woncha so no so be use utilities ni bi uwie so otia nika because ono so there will come a time the person he or she will be very independent until so onya savings bi or start life na enye so difficult
but ye can say they cater for everything Siketian ana talking na ye ma ono enkoye that huge we should understand and yes we be misunderstand the can say akuma say unu akraba sumu atu aneka say sika na ye kan no entimi nkoye it depends on o sister edwuma oye edwuma ni kunu ye the income ebe fie obetimi aka say every month you want 200 Ghana cedis and about 100 Ghana cedis and e bi kwa beka say unim say me ko me be e bi a 20 cedis e na metimi amount odofo Banisa, a ya won't so because bola cow in so cow or better light. I mean, never kitten, a didiempo 3 square meal. Say 1 square meal a day, granoa. It is heavy. And easy. Common in so abenum. Say sacheta. If you be in a house a day, no, I'm 4 bags. So you can imagine 4 bags in a week.
Na say nkolankra wo nkra
na say kra so ye nyina Odo Ahomaso is an eye-opener program about ideas as to things to do and today you be nya de jojo no ene akan it's not time for us to open the phone lines to you na maybe we'll have an old girl calling now nyame adomo come Saturday 9th of April we know year groups are meeting me 85 ebeba Krobo Girls, All Students Association, and Amika yo. Me 85-year group ebeba.
Me 99-year group ebeba.
96-year represent you.
83 for I will
78.
84.
65. Mommy yes 65.
Apia way girls.
Charlie, Saturday no.
Omoba.
Also, Salem Park, easy. Every way.
With walking stick.
Yeah, Ombo life.
But the school is 1927.
Yes. It will be 90 next year.
And Yami and next year,
90 years.
Great. And see what of the lineup because my teacher said, and I see a show. Can programs what is going to be new right now? Yeah, school students almost school, right? So they can make time to come back here. Say then yana.
Okay, Ceciano. Nyame adoma Saturday fun games and fun games no a better competition between the year groups. Each year group must have a representative. At least you be see a kind here. Now you show more be winning to move winning so a prize say then e wo ho maye. You be inauguration. Also for beba no aba be inaugurate year groups ni na afi de hu say aba na ye den aba betna. Yes.
Oh, I see. And then when you tag of love there, it shouldn't be war between us. It should be tag of love. We are pulling our love. Huh? Okay. And I your tag of love.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm only suggesting, I beg you, when to call it and tell me you don't want tag of love, but what tag do you want? It should be tag of love. Okay, so but what are the plans we have for the school? Because ours will be different.
Actually, no. School, no. Challenges, baby. But one particular challenge I want to say you're hilltop.
You're hilltop, no? And you go down the reservoir to go and fetch water.
He said, "Nyamia buoyant because no, yanya tanks bebre reservoirs ni bebre. Inti ama water problem no aba from kakra. But see on challenge pa ne say hilltop no. Whether no your home.
And yet, so we roll and get into our dormitories, and then get into our beds, and they
and yeah, person on my massa excuse me. Okay. A person canopy walk with mom. Ever connected from the dormitory to the classrooms to the dining hall, everywhere. Into saying so correct or cry, you walk under a shade. Into wunya excuse now so need 20 minko into was ye per se yes sir
and we're going to give them shelter for them to enable them and
access
and real in so to area bowl that they can walk comfortably
to their dormitories, their classrooms,
dining, church, everything. Then you don't have an excuse to say absent. Wow. It's not great minds.
That's so great. I'm happy for them. Those who will come later.
If I say now on the 90th anniversary, no, you hand it over a mom into a known project. Old girls, no, you are far to your house say by God's grace now next year, no, you better me our competition project, no.
Great.
And I did no.
Okay, and then you go see, and easy, and then the ajibe yeah, papa. Me shocked that even some of our mates share internet and so that must be me and abrochi mamu baby idea your body. They are all watching us, and a lot of people too are welcoming us into their homes and they're watching. We are so grateful. Dear Global Girls Old Association, yeah, and then we shana unye koga person school koyen. It's about the bad timer. Also by gather we year group. Now it's me baby amamu school because near Global Girls are. And kene, minya akuma mama zimbi. You all know. Oh, the kind of foundation I got there, no edumaden, respect, no your God, determination, Presbyterian training. Hey, and ya easy oh, and ya better cry. The idea we shame say bibia. We are able. That is why our motto is
the best
for the highest.
And then we shine.
The boy is shining.
Oh yes, we are really shining. And see, I'm not just a crowd of what is going to happen, but can outsiders come and watch us? You know, yeah, can my Mary, Global Girls, old students.
But say when I say I say first ceremony,
okay.
To inaugurate the year groups. Until you say how far we can go with that.
Okay.
Until subsequent years, no say you be inaugurate another competitive school after 10 years, no, we inaugurate them into the association.
That's right.
No, we wait to me inviting Crawford. But this one, dear,
strictly year groups.
But you
family saber.
Hey, mothers. Into only exclusive service, we can say, me back me no be on Shakola no fear see Fakolani bra. From Anopa. When you move there
from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. 6 to 6. And yeah, easy. But I was really proud to know, say, late Professor ex-president,
the wife,
Adom was an old girl. Yes. I'm so proud. I am so proud. When you be on dinner, okay? Because Minka,
Honorable Gladys Nole Ashite.
Wow. Great.
And I saw
Gloria Kufu.
Gloria Kufu, hey, Mama Gloria.
Currently,
Mama Gloria Kufu.
And but not currently first lady, Lordina.
Oh, Mama, day. Oh, really?
Yes.
Chalet. Why don't I have my swag? Baby, get your swag, man. Nature, we are first class.
Come on,
that's your first class. But you know, right, and the school is a first class school.
Yes.
And yeah, we have a lot of first ladies passing through Crobole Hills, Crobole girls. Baby, we are number 1. Bonsema. All right, Adishima, so the media can you know, yeah, here as resource persons, and then we are discussing our school, how to lift it to the next level by His grace. I showed a video about taking care of the aged and the plans we have for ourselves, and also say, your families are, we should give them a token. I mean, we teach them how to fish. It's scary, but they need to save it and later going to help them in life. Me they will comment Abraham or Instagram or Mimi page at Akuma Mama Zimbi making kindly amount now because here be phone line say and you'll be biara and an line no a bit to me about through and which yeah WhatsApp group so person can be share Gloria wait me I was up on the back. But if you want me to really read it there, I know only phone no credit she's charging. It's go to my Instagram at Akuma search Instagram. Let's comment well at Akuma Mama Zimbi. I'm going to read everything for you. But right now, righty, hey, I didn't winya, I didn't jojo war, and then I call a na. And in some way, ya kenyinara, and who hears so with me, and then wajin shre aba. Hey. Cho boy, cho boy, cho boy.
Ozamina wapiwa. Zamina bele, abele, Koko basuna bele o. Zamina abele o.
Hey, Saturday easy. Adishima me be phone license at 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 0302 211 704 and I face 0302 211 703. Me power show some on television volume no aba form na fe wakasa e woni ma bebre ho. The Saturday easy. But apart from that, personally I didn't hesitate it well. Let's put our inauguration somewhere. Tell me what is really eating you up while we wait for other people. It can be live what you've seen. You are a teacher. What is I didn't hesitate it well. Yes.
To see an ayamare who be brave because school for ban especially tertiary university.
Hold it. Maybe so all a pass. Now I hot so. Maybe it's me ma kwa body Odo Ahomaso.
Hello, Mama.
Obaje sumo don so.
Me bacho me wo problem ka trebi hame.
Manemra.
And it's a me ko ne wo.
Yeah.
And then I would but first one if you two ne wo.
Sorry.
Na me ko like on nyame bone me so me nyane bone. We understand ourselves. By last time me na fofo bi catch me say me koto ade ye kodi dwana nti sakai na me de ofie no bizanka ye di dwa kana ka me de ko ede ofie na so me de koto no bizam me de koto wa ede na so me de me di dwa bi kuma me kana ka me de koto onu to ti be use me so me pa me say use yo ka che me ne se meji mi pa na de ntina be ma be ma mi sa me fa ko di dwana nti sambe kana me de be kwa koto wa na
wadan for no worry.
Onu tu
okay.
Nti e wo se me di sie na se in case se bibi hia me a na me di ato na me ti de bi se me kun ni bibi hia me a o ma me nti ehu hia se me di se sika ne be de be sie nti me keep it atade de han say me a nti me kwa wu me second born no ma say o last me hu se de me yen so bi sa no bene ma se tin komo sa na mbi sa se ma me pa cho na se unu ko ho na so ma chop mo ne se fa ko didwa na se saka e wo so de ma oku o ti de dia de nti na wo so de ma oku e wrong na me si
wow
o ti jama sa na ya wo ye o na me se ma pa cho o se e ye me a me baba waji pa The Bema Nama Missikadia or the Ashemensa. It is the water metonomatoria and was some first canacano. So I want to ask, is it right? Because they are not this say no a mammy so they trust me. So in case you're this I could see no go. It's me for problem the by a wire anymore. So I want you to help me in that because I didn't hand me a check.
Okay, me patcho me Miss Wasembi. Nenya about say ye and no mammy. Wukunu no my did this sketch up on your demand or monthly and now weekly.
Oh no. First, every day be a way mammy.
Every day, Mamma.
Every one mammy 30 cedi, every one mammy 20 cedi. It depends if you are near
mobile. Okay.
But Busumi be on Waka market. I know dear, I salute him.
It is son my year for all these years, I'm worry. Hello?
Yes, me too.
My worry for how many years?
7 years now.
7 years now. And this is how only husband say, or more 30, 40, 50, maybe 100. Meboa.
Yeah.
And see, Uko di Janua, his son, Eka.
Oh, once a year, every month, piano. Before they use as Canatu, you could do everything.
Matthias said to Cotton marketing, kitten one. Yes, insist on a Eka.
Everywhere to make a 10 CDs, 15 CDs. Now, me the other go into your bar. It's your for bar, and I'm the atol. And as a Maka be being Yamia. Now, what the atol? If you do my bacana or Siampa ball name is size. What thought they bring me?
Okay, and see,
this can be
great. And who could yes, say, me hear dear, me money, chop money, no okodi jana e casa de an, and stand called the beku table so, me boa. Who could yes, I also tears here.
Yeah.
And I also hear you, man.
Patchana me, but they see I'm a walker.
Wow, fresh, but you will be a weird Juma.
Me patchana.
Now, apart from chop money, nobody did scare the mound, or mouse can be aside, Anna. Oh,
send me here, me person me to be beer. Me catch you an ottoman. On one casan, nam no cochedia. Me, a blue oka or the backer as surprising me. Miniaba. Ma.
Dear Eddie Emma Awari, 18 tim, a year. Emma nearly one, Emma, you'll be so dear, drew no. And yet drew, and I am Tiasia, more Emma Moho. What do we ask, Ukruno? And he said, Sicano, and yes, I would question, sir. Even if you won't be me, and I make her say, even if you are keeping it, that means you are not the type of wife. Every day, give me money to go and buy this, go and buy that. And she dear woo, ya no, me dear, me buy a year. Sabi, and yes, away Jimmy, and yes, what taba. Dear, make what I say. A yen, see a mummy no more. Say, bomb, my dear. Me sure said that one for beyond to look with a the meniscana and so on. On the poor missa. And your bonnet. Dear, make what say. Or baby or her sister, a best neck more than Ghana away. Money 1,000 Ghana cities. Any 1 week and some I need money to go and buy this. We are bow, yes, I your banyan for. My bedman who said, or bad dear, we are badging back. You are a manager of the home and even the entire being of everybody under your what?
Is it your umbrella?
Your umbrella or whatever. And in Yansadia and a way, no. Said your way, if you are Kumupana and pa, said it's Mika 15 cities. It's Mika 10 cities. Nantia say, oh, name mom. And your 50 cities neka now would it because a baby now ya dear Charlie manin kosa why but
what to be I not to your career okay to be this kind of mommy say keep it
that is it man say no that
me obviously pe almost imagine me
oh Jimmy catch almost say sex doctor why Jimmy work now e one day me onyi me money kunu na one mo Jimmy money okay go Jimmy ma why wait Jimmy ama ukunu sister fa we enye ukunu ankoye meme bia ube Jimmy ama ne said den kra no ana okodi oba afofro ene na odi watem ene na watantan de hwe ukunu nte sa maduane sika aba se pillow na se na ade tuo coffee table na ade tuo se dressing mirror na ade tuo it is your money enti eno ano no ja ho dwen ba koso tie Odo Ahomaso anti flow ha and Mama Gloria so ewa ha medase edase great love you baby Nice. So you'll be answering this. Let me finish with them. Hello. So sorry. Yes.
Yes. Hello, Mama Kumba.
Me das.
Yeah.
Na FIFA. O FIFA.
Me das.
Na FIFA.
Mama tio nyina ma twa mama nyina se.
E das yo.
Ma die na mu di ne na nwure. Ama mani age papa.
E das. Me pa che tio.
Yo. Ene juma die na mu di na mo kafa. Ye ma me no ne ye papa no mo pen boss no.
Yeah.
Mani age pa sanye. Ya dwene ye papa ene ye ma me no mo mo pen fo a wo manyina du sa. Omun kasaye omun titiye a omode maye no omunyini a obonse eniyama bi asesa bonse o kabidi edu ha otiase edu ontiase ba sanye be tie o trama omo na ye be kokko omo ne edu omo ebe fa ne be mso ma eniyama bi asesa first ni sanye na musiye no the better was no. Once they do that, so I owe money can say, and the Rantian and Maba, Maba, so dear. They can't be a moon here. Now, so the other canal, the Yabo Trama woman, who are my make us in your ma crowd there. And Mudia about 55 someone, and Mudia Moo. And Mamma now, a lady now, to one on the scene, which left a fair fennel.
Aye, Auntie Florence.
You know,
Auntie Florence.
Said. Send you the tea and yabu tre. You know, my casa, then woman, my minimal, and no more papa, no young papa. It's him, and my phone also, papa, phone or my nigga.
Okay.
Ma, yang, and mana or my way.
You
program, and the adjunct pa because me will be out. Me cocoa mapa.
Yamisha. Yeah, that's it. Yamisha, Cosocro, man, Shira. Yo, me that's so papa. Nana Kojo, Yamaquaba, the ba Odo Ahomaso Nana.
But good evening.
Oba just more don so Nana.
More don so.
Me that's it. Nana no free.
But I'm afraid for a showman.
A showman, yeah, that's it. Nana, it's you.
What are the MFP?
G. Kobo is shining.
Oh,
yes.
The design here very nice.
Thank you. Me that's it.
We know more in no beer when you
Yeah, easy.
But the program there very nice, man.
Thank you, Nana.
Great.
Very
nice. Monko so nyej mapanesa.
Yo.
Mimi assemble aka no pena work.
Yeah, that's it. At least what we share you tie enti for be free mu ai beboa. Why? O ma meti ase.
What you say?
O papa ti ase.
No, no ti ase.
O mo de mfi ahiahin.
Oh, ma me dio be 55 number call be 65.
Oh, okay.
60, yeah, late 60s.
All right. Enti o mo bom me rap ha baka ko form aba. Ashon ma na say obema obi na aka ko show mo na o de on beko na say homes be ebe.
Ma me dio o akwentu o America.
Oh, America for the easy oh. It's a very correct Manhattan. Na ko New Jersey for, Maryland for, Denmark for, me just say Italy for. Hey, Japan for be a show down muscle.
Don't quite the already over some back crowd or view.
Debbie, can say, oh, Marco Crow, Hannah.
We catch some crew Hayana.
That's it. All right. Yeah, that's it, Papa. All right, my family last two callers. Now, me kind of Instagram, because there are a lot of messages in here. Hello. Do I have anybody in there, please? Hi, Biney.
Hello.
Me ma kwa badi Odo Ahomaso.
No, don't so.
Me that's it you. Ouch.
Don't so.
Me that's it you.
Mommy, yeah, but I'm passing doesn't need to.
My name right you. Ma television volume no emra form.
But me them
Ma TV volume no my name ra form.
Me be ma me so na mo change 7 years.
And the way is super.
Mo change 7 years na me hu be channel person me ni dey tia me tu me ne kasa bi all right. Ba be 3 days 4 days me hu na me fa ne yahwe but me hu na bo ne me gu efu me hu kra.
O papa ti ase.
Bojozi, me papa tiasi, mami papa tiasi, mami so tiasi.
O papa e wadamfo.
Bojozi.
O papa o ye wadamfo.
Papa e madamfo.
Eni ni mbon komo we. Obetchire details why. Ba koso tie be yiwa no. Why?
Bojozi.
All right. Me that's it.
Okay.
Adeshima mama if I call, do you have another caller in there please? Okay, Adeshima, mama is market swebi. Na me try me home come Instagrams na mama. Then we go back to our sections and then they are making their wonderful note in here. Oh, we sharp papa one side. Krobo is shining.
Oh yes.
But that's it. Midasi. It's Akuma Mazembe. I'm here with my main man, Stumble, and D Black, right?
Yes, sir.
Did I get it right?
Yes, you
We
did.
are here in New York City, just make time, making a well. But certainly we're going to wear our drawers now. Are you wearing your drawers or not?
Measure me draw.
Maybe who? No, Stone. Tell the people that you are here, you're going to wear your drawers.
100%.
100% what?
Dress is on.
The dross is on. Hey, D, is your dross on?
Measure me draw.
Me that's it. Oh my God, it's important that you wear your drawers, and that's the empowerment. Wear the drawers, and it is now. Things are okay. Adeshima mami omunyina cover Edom was say obutrani odo amenya then po motimi akọ me Instagram na mo dem comments akọ Flory wa ha Gloria wa ho Flow and Glow.
Yeah.
Chalet. You guys are shiny and you're easy. Mami can few Instagram no na fe yen toa enkomodine so. Patra say hello mom, you look very beautiful. Me that say. Jojo Deborah says, dating is just dating is likeness but not love. The one your mother has for you, it's really love, cause it's motherly love and unconditional love. Let your wife be your best friend and let your sister from your mother, right? The same, George, okay, you've written it twice. All right. But there was this one, I'm gonna say, wow, it's been long without hair gear. You look prettier. Charlie, the hair gear go come, oh, you don't know, my head it breaks more, but the hair gear, it go come, don't worry. Oh, yeah. Jojo Debra again wrote here, sir. My father used to do the washing, cleaning, and cooking for my mom, and even bathing for we the children, and take us to school. So I will also do the same for my wife. So, wait, let's say our parents are our first mentor. O mami obi a otai didi u papa temwa and open tokwa ne baba obefa. O papa obi a otari insa. I'm sure obefa, but it's 90% that you taking those things because then I will hear every time. So, papa bobo ma by heart, I na ko bobo ma by heart. Ain't he like father like son? Okay, Frema says, I'm loving your new hair, mommy. Charlie, that's it. Buachi says, I'm Buachi Thomas, and I want to ask if you want to have sex with your partner, and always she gives excuse every time. Is it good or bad? It takes patience and knowing each other well. Just have a listening ear. Be patient and ask, what is the issue? Maybe indeed she's tired. Indeed there's something hitting her somewhere. But don't conclude. It can neither be bad or good. Yeah, marriage partners, that's what he said. So that's what I'm saying. Because I'm not married partners, so oh shit TV into why you hey baby. Don't worry, there no sex, so you wear your drawers. Wear your drawers for me. Okay. The anthem no abaha. Wow. So let's sing the anthem.
Okay.
1, 2.
We hail the ADKGS, the fount of wisdom and our well-being. To thee we vow to keep up your banner, and everywhere make Robo shine. With the help of God Almighty, we'll work hard to place your fame and lead us to our motto, the best for the highest Robo will shine. With the help of God Almighty, we'll work hard to place your fame and lead us to our motto, the best for the highest. Krobo is shining, yes. Krobo is shining.
Oh,
yes.
Me partner, me born. I was me trying to do one my boy partner. So don't worry at all. Your renowned program, Odo Ahomaso. Yeah, that's it. We are so happy that you're sticking to your Adom TV, watching the internet, in the bedroom or everywhere you're watching, and we are learning from each other. We are learning from each other. So keep your comments coming at Akuma Mamazimbi Instagram, and I'm going to read everything here for you. Sweetheart.
Akuma.
Calls me back in. Ye answer. Then we open the lines again. We go to Musenyema Shanko for Bopa. We should allow them to pour it. Then their burdens, taken off a bit.
Okay, Akuma.
Yes, Akuma.
Akuma.
Me that's it.
Woman no they can fray about the money issue no. Dear was shall see all no as the wow see advice no on course no yes because nikunu no ejinidi there's truth and remember bebre omompe emba omon kanu kre was kasem apart from emba even yen as human as we are because I make crime sumao. Say koto ade no afa me change umbrella. I'm going to be mad at you.
Yeah.
Say your coin or say your paper. I need to.
Hey, media, give it to me.
Hey, media, give it to me.
Take it.
Yes. Into no media they make a channel say is good and Nick Rooney very good. Me panicho money ntie di and for 4 can. Mpe me brain so wadan for no who say wukunu no. Nyama no Nick Rooney man no wukunu e yama wa.
But don't forget, say the mother-in-law has also told her, say you are a fool. You don't have to give the guy is my son, but I don't have to go and give the money back.
Mother-in-law.
I understand that you get confused.
Mother-in-law no ebia onim say na almost tisifa. Into ono so beka from ono ni experience ni say no beka sa no, but wo na wo tia ware na say. Enti say na wa sha ase no e wo say wo to aso. Wo se son ka pe na asem aba.
Okay, my Gloria, because I don't know how she's going to end. Gloria.
Akuma, me pacho. As Flo kind of mother-in-law no ni ho, and the relationship between mother-in-law and a wife no different.
Okay.
So ho. Na ire no wa fa na ire ne se na ire ni ye ni bibia. Menye sure so kokro no hu spabo beta ma ne mother-in-law. Enti ebia se ne mother-in-law no onu onya ebia niama wo so onya no feel say bia wo oba no unya sometimes so no in a way no enye all that good into no me dem make a chance say me panicho pi wa start o mani wie mane ntie de obia beka because na wa start e na ye trust ni kunu enya ama no enti na ama aware no they are enjoying it into me panicho keep it up go girl I'm always behind you I love you.
She should keep signing, on shining.
Yes,
Before Flo, you come, no, I like it, Tanko. Instagram, and she's saying that, hello, Mama Zimbi, you are looking great. I love the shoes. You love the shoes. You're watching you from back quiet. And I boku no matre. All right. Techiwa says, we are still wearing our drawers. Akuma. Techima no chance. Me that say, Techima for account when I bosso and ye easy. My account when I bosso and ye easy. Okay, Flo. Alaji Tanko. Oh, Boko to ya ye. Oh, Alaji. Na go day. Okay. Yes. There was another issue too.
Yenua be ma no. I can say ho oba na approach.
Also, when you're so bad, the next day will depend on Akuma.
Oh, Ebia, every Ntitiasia no, say na you're treating in collaborate, Ebia, the environment, no. Ebia, Obia abusing it. And now, Nima, minima passing on assistant at no. And say, oh, who first time, no, he will like you. But as time, or who another time, I said, the boy will be, or Kai baby, into on work on needy, actually, he needs counseling. On the counseling, but he punish on seeking for counseling. Na everyone.
But on Nongas searching on Gas, and I'm your man to me, bo. Also, you can say, be to me, Rashi. Upon your move, you say, be paper, just now the way we go to a crowd, say you can buy something, take it home. The next day, you regret, and I didn't know me to idea way. And Tim said, and I said, so by crowd, oh, not or not as I say, I said, who before. So if you can't stand the heat, you stay out of the kitchen. Your age 27 does not mean say you are mature, then you can get the relationship and it will end you anywhere. Study and learn more about how to approach things, okay? All right. And to social Odo Ahomaso, I think that's about all. That we have more. Maybe be a line, and then we go again. Other 4 minutes and send a break. Odo Ahomaso ni. I had na better stress so. I had na better when it's here. I had na be one na ma. I was so too. Now say I was some me domi kunu. I want no cremu. And prachi. And pay passy be jay woody. It's already no. May you 5 abortions. And I'm just 25 years old. Why don't we be in the relationship and then leave intimacy out? That's really going to help us. And no kako jala pass. Abeka Junction. 190 in this dark place is Sabia to tomorrow. Go bow. Papa is ma. Mammy or ma. Or buy a crown of bits in a can. One in that the same room. Why don't you leave and go? Empower yourself and believe in yourself. Say, hey, I am not a second fiddle. I am somebody. You know, off. You go. They make a pamucho. Eddie. It's difficult. It's difficult. It's difficult. But it takes just a second to say, hey, it's over. And it will be indeed over for you. And things would not be the same. Hi, Regina. Me ma ko abadi ba Odo Ahomaso.
Good evening, you.
Me da say, Jesu ma Odo nso. Jesu ma Odo nso. Me da say. Na frefi.
Actually, how many say?
What can you say?
I can't say, me poor man in the world. Or no carriage, me sunny and
that you do that.
And your mammy meaning nothing back.
Oh, my boy.
Come in presence, you know.
Now, what you plan or no one son or no Miss Garrett? And I'm watching plan.
Why are you?
Why are they? What's why are they?
Worrying direct.
Oh, why direct? But what you will. Who no worry war. And I been out to be a new bosom, yes.
But man, who didn't tell why I'm here to answer me?
Now when I can say I never know pay. And now ma worry how many years?
90 years.
90 years in it. Oh, serious. Hey, sister. Auntie, who can Odo? Hello.
Oh, so the men in that back home, God. Men in that back home.
But so do so our man, I'm a woman, 19 years in my name.
Oh, yeah,
More my
your massage.
Me ba cho say.
Your massage.
More nkwala num.
5.
Yo mate. Enti da the last time mudi mo ho. Hello. How many months ni?
That's 3 months.
About 3 months you new. Oh.
3 months.
Me pa mo cho and sanone cigarette na afrenti na won painting na boso miensani won pene ma ne one won na anase bibi fufro hello
bibi fufro bi eni ho
we are ne how
hello
mami
doctor answer the clear no
doctor chere ne said dey
positive HIV positive
oside
HIV positive.
Why no HIV?
Why no HIV? Why no HIV?
Beman.
No kunya ne he.
Beman.
O kunya ne he. O sa pe ma kan.
Minimum. Who name Brady Adam?
Me pa cho wo so akọ hospital akọ check ya na.
Akọ several times
Eni umoje mu. Enti efita ma wo ti ye no. E na wo ni na bio no ho.
There be a doctor na advice no sanka onya nsan na nka ye hwese ebe ya na so solo nya nsan no tembuku ye na.
Doctor say onya nsan no say HIV ni be yi a. Hey doctor be no. He says so one advice say huh? Me pa cho mi ti o.
Onya nsan no skare no se na be ya. Obe check akra na so solo nya.
Okay, auntie. Oh wow. Yeah, asami auntie papicho wo abusua ne wo ku abusua wo nim se bibi sei e wo ho ana.
Me ma me de me ka kira na obewu.
Ampa de obewu. Auntie ehye wo nkwan ho. Auntie sei ukunu we. Na bacho oda ho. Me pacho unu aduane ma ne di. Unu aduane ma ne di.
Me nu aduane ma ne di.
Wo hwe no maninum ni nuro no.
Nu aduane ma ne.
Wo hwe no maninum ni nuro no.
Hwe bibia.
Na me pacho wo adwendwen etimi ku nipa ntem. Ebe me de. Woni ni dada ba akumu a hwi ensi. Obetini atunse didi hwi ensi. Eye eda no no beda no. Enumpo doctors mi kire mo so metimi ahwe mo so ye bia a mo nkisi na condom ahye ni yie mpo metimi ene mo ho ada ba ukoma ne say oye na tantan de pe wo ho na se de odada from so dada from e obekoso anu mo nsa obetikuso ha tantan de obetimi ono nko hye dem ho kwa atete obefe bibie de awo na obekunu ho na entimpa cho hia rechire efi wo nchen entimi srew sister,
I'm Famana.
Oh, Famano. Oh, Okunu Pajini and Kasa. Oh, Papa. Kusawate.
Hello.
Hello. Now, what to say?
You know you.
Edenya say.
Oh, yeah.
Now, I then I would have from you. Now, we just would have from you. Hello.
Hello, yeah.
Me pat show. Adena me pa show meet you.
Okay. You see, I
oh.
Because hospital, obviously, my neck is.
Oh, kuse.
Na, it has been so soon. And then with that, they don't know how and me, girlfriend, yeah. My father, sorry. 3 different. I always say,
me pa show tio. Dear me can say, me misa wumpo say he na unya free. Wako hospital. Bibi ne see me ekọ ne be hwe omojemu eni ehu nse sa ammoa no aba. Eno nkyere se obeda dan fufuro mu na we nso dan fufuro mu. Me ntete e wo HIV patients ye ne omote no. Enkyere je doctor lankasa edu some point bi no no ama directives say ya na say. But the mere fact say yes wukunu ana wo yire wonya HIV e bia virus ni bia ba no enkyere se oba na dan fufuro mu na beba nso na dan fufuro mu. Mumye no munko counseling bia ye. E wo HIV no ho. Hello.
Yako.
Mwako. Na muka ede ne ka kire mo. Me pa cho ko ede ne ka kire mo.
Ono be take the decision.
Yo, mene ne be kasa wate.
Yo.
Na me pa cho se insan wo ja no. Me pa cho insan wo ja no.
Ajay.
Wo jai.
The chaka krana magada.
Mencha enna adentia. Adenti wo yire so ompa ensa no. Onso ko num nsa no babeda. Adenti na ko twa nsa no babeda. Hello.
Oh, problem I buy. Problem I buy. And yet I Mentiasi. The America Mentiasi.
Matias. But and sanomono enyi saya dedi enfi ho. Cigarette no mono enyi saya dedi enfi ho. Enti me pa show. Emo ahoden hwe ensanom cigarette num emo ahoden akofom emo se moa no wo widie ni mu a aye bebre kwa na timi abra wase kra wan hwa we fiat ase asase so. Enti me pa show me slow jansane nom na mekoso ene wo yire akasa na unso ebi account me number 0244 261200 0244 261200 Miniaba hello Mommy, what did you fear?
Hello.
What did you fear?
37
years.
37 years.
And I won't cruise wedding fear.
What?
Who cruise wedding fear? 62 years. And I already 37.
52.
52. Yo. Miniaba. Me pancho. And then you mre. And Odo Ahomaso. Me person show akuma in a minute. Na wo kan de hye awrade anyonyam. Ene wo ma mu tie nyina se ene wo anti abna mansa kwame kojo ene wo ne wo ku bedada baakum. Amen o.
Amen.
Wo betimi ana?
Amen.
Oh, mensre.
Wo
betimi na dada baakum. Me pacho wo betimi na dada baakum.
Me pacho insanu kwa ne ha.
Insanu kwa oso be jansa no. You see this is a serious issue.
Very serious.
Yo, nana me mo akwa ba de Odo Ahomaso.
Mo don so.
We de fa che nana, ya mo agina so ache pa.
Ni na ehia because
Me da say nana.
Nana kwa ma me ho aduru ni pa.
Enye easy o.
Kuma ya obodu ko mi hu ahofo. I say dey why too much. It's a one for now, Papa. Me part of next week, yeah, it's the same thing right now.
Really?
Me part of problem can serve now. Say, just imagine I'm saying to tell me emotion. I'm here advice more.
Okay, it's you.
And he said, no, 28 years.
Good.
Now me the Tibema. But you mean I can't say about why I mean I have to tell you my you but then my advice for the money is okay, tell money him answer now bad why.
That's what I started do that. E dey mu starting ni.
Me pa say if you did.
Mama bi esisifo. Ade ogusu diwa me nua ba. Point number 1. Bai ma betimi ene wa koto ho ne nyinara. Enye guarantee so ba ware o. Na the reason so banyimo ansa na wawo no ansa sabe wabanyimo ansa na waware wo no e de oyanyame the reason e de
Minko mi tiase ntimi kwa
want me misano
ti akwa ma ba adwuma me nche makwa adwuma for
Wow, share. And it was what said what to talk about so. Yeah, me may. Share.
Me go to nani so but you were my bear weekend say me near Manama call.
No, I call your day. Come on, need do sa no aba.
Oh, and yes, but
My dear, catch me. I also want go weekend now. About for our show. And so when you're home and new when you're baby be a biome. And this one conditions and terms, you know. Empty.
Me and Catano. Me could they kill before I say, me obia, I say. Ever since now, me home. Only me first guy, me home. Not something to me.
Or break your virginity.
Me patron.
Oh, one chain. And no, Mama Rusi at 28, right? Now, so if you are still a virgin, wouldn't say you are a queen. Eh? Catch and say, won't you win that any more china? And the uncle for an uncle 1 day straight. Whoa, and now my parents won't say, Papa, yeah, what got on your may I ever be dating? Only go and tell only what you don't go catch your parents say, Bobano. Well, mammy, I knew Namewano. Mungo can tell us.
Me family me, say, me, I say. And my family in him, but me papa de no penny so fair. Many crown, I say, many crown, me papa put it. Me can't chamber, but I'm in pie either. And Jim papa don't say, I down for catch it. But I'm in mammy, and no, but mammy crown, so I late. But only parents, dear, only say, yes, to but you was a main one, mammy, I'm a new. Because papa, the man can fast man, Jenny say. Meaning I did because of.
And where your abortion there?
Daddy, Daddy.
Only abortion there.
Daddy.
Okay. The American said, don't agree to this thing. The decision is yours. So we'll cancel mommy, so we'll cancel papa. Both of you are going to live under the same roof. So you make the rules.
Mommy, you knew.
And I miss good. And the rules now, better more comfortable. And I was with this one. And my name shows who say. Now, what on you please okay, my minion, now in him, and within 2 months. Now when you discourage her, miscarriage her. And it's what I say, and also, sister, man, yeah, never man your china. Oh, and Mundi Muso. One would see and Mundi Muso, on the other shame. Ah, now, say, ready. What is he waiting for? Never ready, pan and pa. Listen, look at you, wow.
But I could do on papa.
And you open him so bad.
I'm papa away, pa.
And also, I feel papa with all the respect of my say he does not respect your parents again, no. Or no, by shame, raffle from. Now, come about secret of can't stand for so I show papa. Sister, can I call a money and tentem? Why? Now 28 yet. Our dear young power. Amen. Oh,
Amen.
That's it.
Miss me, Damashi.
Yeah, that's it, papa.
Okay.
Auntie Vida.
Akuma.
Odo, me that's it. Anyway, what's it?
Me that's it.
All right. Yeah, but now we'll see a session in Mukakra. Auntie Vida, now for me.
Me first breakum.
Breakum for what to say?
Me only a pa now, sorry.
Yamia, do my record. I check.
Breakum for 1 year, papa. I say.
Or say. My TV volume number for me, I mean, say, you volume make a cry.
Okay. Matthew Medasi.
Medasi. Now, say, dear.
Mrs. Breakum for your show, papa.
Miss my family breakum for.
Me that's your program, pa.
That's it.
Then worry until me send me gross nurses, yeah.
Okay. But I say, and they're opening a lot of empowerment from Odo Ahomaso. Now, we are virgin.
I'm a virgin.
Great. What if you are?
My name is 21.
21. Shall I keep your virginity just for me? If not for anybody at all, just keep it for me. Okay?
Matches.
Did you come out home? Now, when you're Bema, and maybe or do be shed. Or by swallow, if so, be some worry or bar, or bear bunu kama. No, Baba Waro, Buma Crabenya, as soon as Benya. Why?
That's it.
That's it. My family very me for my last call. Me ma call about the board was then we answer the shows and then we conclude with upcoming way. Yes. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
What do I say? Me da say me ma call about the board Ahomaso. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Your name and where you calling from, please?
Pastor from Vida.
Auntie Vida Frevin.
Pastor Makasasi Madina.
Hey, Madina, here.
Pastor.
All right, yet you. Maybe I say you. Yes.
Pastor, Niku, or quite do my band da. Also, our Brenna Medano. It is a mean scene. It is a mean any day.
Oh, can I do a man or ye?
Pastor, you're fitting.
Or you're fitting.
Pastor.
Now, Ubana de Suno.
Pastor, say.
Ubana de Suno at this time, no.
Pastor, me peeing into your person on so better.
Mana Martin said, who could say, but not of our banner, my boy. For 40 mile.
Pastor, you Martin, Pastor, my man.
I for 40 mile.
Pastor,
hello, Mira. Bemena.
Hello.
Bemena.
Hello.
Now, what's the uncle for the banner? I'm glad that you're back. Huh? Metio, and you'll be the kind of tea. Eh? What's it? Now, if you're my baby and pad, also you won't hear. If you're my bad, Wabray. Huh? Eh? A week, who do you how many times? Yeah.
Madam.
Yes.
Madam, we feel more about and I'm a brave, but I was saying.
I was saying. A week, how many times now? What need that? Eh?
2 times.
2 times in a week. Now you saw no so penny saying.
Oh, no. Also, open Debbie, I say, obey Debbie. So,
Mummy, I would think it. Mummy, pen of a mood. What if you are here?
If I show 27.
And now, Obana said if you are here.
Also 20.
Also 28. Ain't you know, wow, it's about 1 year.
If I try.
Beautiful. And in such situation, no, once our dear, I'll say me and me tea once and I will.
If I try.
Right. And to a swap, I was swap bread. A dear now bet me I am Nadia Buano.
Oh.
And we'll penny twice a week. Also a penny every day. And to Intia Bay and a mummy and Numania. And I'm on you, sir.
Oh, yeah, Joe, Mebuano, my chance to win but Mamina.
Ubebuano, Quambenso.
Oh, Mebuano.
Quambenso.
Oh, said you walk, I said, or Penny Debian to mean any better shiny chamber pepe.
Ain't it already saying? Maybe I'm serious. When did my last call I know?
10 bia no befi to say your pen. Mayamano.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Juma.
Nancy, and you already know. And you know yo. And I that's what bread.
Oh, and you will be.
Ubedio. If I'm Obano. Miniaba. Hello. If I'm there. Hello.
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 We are sure so we can obrepa and that's all shed and also abre.
Oshada.
Osheda.
Patrai.
And I know here now brand ombre.
And ombre.
And ombre.
Bachelor.
And then they also be you. I ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, but on a more serious note, what's the Osheda so abre? I didn't see any wook no door. Or better that's what abre. My line is say, hello. I didn't see no better that say, and then me bomb you let him on the window. Ola ni mo say, But dear also obedi dear, you're ready. Pa, why ready?
My ready chain.
Position ben abeyo. Dear style ben abeyo. Because I never remember Manchester sex position. Are you ready to watch it? And when you start the idea, I want to be Manchester sex position. Why?
Martin.
So get ready. The Dakolano on Nantem na Manchester sex position into me, okay? All right? Okay. Sweetheart. I mean, a company bets me a faso. Near entice ye economo. Now my love making. I straight. But let's answer few of this and then we fuse this in there.
Okay, Akuma, the patrol, ya mama no afraid no with the AIDS issue no, panicho. Obinya AIDS, I wouldn't panic didia unya AIDS. Only panic that them unya AIDS. Also, who saw Bemanaka psychologically no, he's not happy. Yeah. There are a lot of things going through the person's mind. This is a time when the person needs a lot of compassion, needs our love. Into panicho cambeno. Pa sebe yo bema no be hu so at least all those same boy are real way cry no me yire the support because say the way they want support you more definitely they will even die before their time.
Oh yeah.
Then yes sister now so bema no say was so once me pacho so bema no
so one
onye obenye na sa na wa ede wa ware no eh Warrior, you starting warrior no nyanko ya ma terms and conditions. Warrior dey yenfa terms and conditions enye den enye ejuma. Intimisre na so be ma no nte ase dia then it's a wrong deal. Okay. You just have to just back out. Bekum girl no ombomodi an onye den on share ni dross my. Ye mama ya wa first see on ne ba no oya panicho p menya sure say ni kun be shada kase wa bre. Ebia the more or no love making no more. Yes, obe so me draw timetable. Neja obi we hu de we obeden obeboa oba na obe ma no se yesrew eya akwala no onso ni mu kakra eyo mu mienu ede omoba ye meka
said the castle body is way be no but sometimes remember so my bra oh yes smart okay my bra we dey kwada ba massage but the time you feel that wonderful massage
exactly
na ejina so
correct
so but I am watching we indeed say nipa na bra no abra there's nothing you can do.
Yes,
Florence.
Me kasa wo your mom, your sister no. Oh yeah, sister.
Yeah.
Ace issue no.
Yeah.
Papa no the cigarettes no any insanom no emwa no.
Emwa health no
kra. You say ebe weaken the immune system no. Ena oba no so se no be man on need attention. Papa care. Ne bibia gina wo so sia o say on pe emma nti onni bebia onya free ye nti this is the time I was say oba no o show ne love oni ne kasa nkakran no insane kro onu no e adwendwe no nti se oni ne kasa onya abotre ma no ne kasa on di onya abotre ma no obejai na se sia no we ni high na so wo ja oni nkola 5 yi betumi ahwo mo nyina
5 yo but obana cause I know she's still watching e wo mu anu so nko check for different hospital no because that I will come so say afinyo but I realize na aside me one bebre until obi anya akukudro na wontimi and when status on HIV AIDS. Sweetheart, your last but one caller no. The one wants it every day. The man is tired. He wants to do it twice a week. The one says, no, I want it every day. Now, this is our second issue. How often, as married couples, you bet to me, I'm making love that will live happily ever?
Akuma.
Yes.
Question where dear, I'm out for bisa. To me answer the way they want them to. Me feel say. Ejino bia so ejina juma mutu ni na amoye nkwala wo mu kra po it makes things worse.
But is sex important in marriage?
Oh, it is.
What makes it important?
I think that it brings there's bond. You know, there's bond, there's love, there's affection. You know, who say you don't feel shy of each other and all that. And I feel it's important. At least it shouldn't be neglected. If unless they be health wise and but then if all things being equal, both of you are active, then at least you should try and have sex as often as you can. So if it's okay for you. Oh, but to me, dear, when to me in Kase every day, it depends. It depends. Oh, Mama Zimbi.
Yes.
Oba no wabre. Oba no wabre. You know, we need to what? We need to think about each other. And yeah, a man ya odi de bia, oba man satisfy or how odi de bia open no and I say oba man so beka say oba no de bia debi. Monte mo ho ase. Oba no say wabre. At least I was what na say that ombre, you know. She gives and she makes you happy and all that. So yeah. Please, in some way, Jerry, we now we are there.
But to ask the next question, they lead me to ask you, sir, and say it's important, married couples, mobile agreement in how to make love or something. Because we penny 4,
I believe.
We penny 2, we penny once a month.
I believe.
And I was saying, you giant, not that natural flow.
I believe, sir, Obia was an open for.
Yeah.
Oh. Obi wo ha ojen de bia ope obi wo ha say once a week kra na say o satisfy no ho a obetimi afa no throughout the week ni nyina na bibia atodin but on say emema no from adolescent age, you know, they are very active in sex and na young man so yes ye nyini a na afa na sexual drive no so nyini. Nti I was saying me man so ti ase saa emaye na agreement in bra na say ni nyina agina communication so
nti great communication is the key in everything.
Exactly.
Even in this world that we live, oh communicating
yeah
it's me the war back and communication there is greater key, but I want it often. So if you catch up a partner, so catch up, you say, "Media, me says often in a month." I can say a penny often in a month. You know, how can we break it down?
How
often? So how often? How often is your often? How open?
So once a week cry often because a regular. Into no see often.
Often, yes.
And 3 times a week go see often.
Often, yes.
Into depending on who.
Wow. Once a week, often.
Once a year, crown for say regular often. Because you miss it.
Every year, be quite regular. Wow.
You say we fair draw. Yes, if I know 1-3 times a day, and now once every week. We miss it back one, and you're often biom.
Okay. Wow.
And too much you say, oh, a week, you're born a papa me 3 times.
Yeah.
No much as sir.
No much as sir.
No more.
You're so sorry.
Sir, it's a so what me communicate oh, Ceciano, a juma me and I say any mean to me in Connie sir, and my air share, reducing it, say, no, Banaswaka I say, oh, mean to me, oh dear, I was saying you should come to a compromise. Not be beat or day.
Oh, okay. Wow. And Tino, how often is your often? Say no I'm understanding. It's me abim. Now I'm more flexible so that you can even enjoy, even if it's once a year, because more flexible you've done things. Because you can't love making it. Shouldn't be every time putting the dick into the vagina. But yeah, there's so many ways in playing with each other's body for us to be satisfied. It is there.
Yeah.
Oh. Now most of the people say only me and I'm in penny once and or just say Bukata say that the Bukata, you know. Hi Gloria.
Akuma Mama Zimbi. Kobo is shining.
It's shining. So I mean how can we, because sex itself, see I'm not careful in marriages, and a whole lot of issues about. Ebufoba ehun o mantem unso mantem huna na aboefu ade eje bufo kra dem bebre, so it was yenya some kind of wisdom be na yet na say na ehun say me kunu infi awaduri onyi kakra bem me yire because of yade we and adwuma all ye onye more active said the first no ye no enti me ankasa no in my own wisdom and knowledge, I'm seeing, and seeing is believing. What am I doing to help that partner than complaining every time? What can we do? Should we, the women, make the move, or the men should make a move?
Akuma.
In settling, you know, your sex life, you know. Now, any more understanding and loving to, you know, make it.
Okay, Akuma. Me pacho de miss me can say ebia so oyo oba ebia ukunu so wabre. At least what oba no so you can also make a move. So enye de bia na e wo say den eye obema no. Sometimes mba no bebre ade bia opese otwen na nukunu beba ne nchen ansa da bi. And love making, no, you know, it starts maybe earlier on. And you say be obema ne ba ya na bia wa ba no wa ba be papa no ko
Papa de no de
oba down so quick. No. It shouldn't work like that. Me, I believe, say, at least even the love that we share, you know, how you people will hug yourself, kiss each other and all that, you know, it shows the love in the air and all that, you know, the romance and all that. So psychologically, you can give your husband a massage. You can even start the process. And
so you make a move.
You should also make the move. Yes. So open now, at least make the move.
Okay.
And I will make you move now, as you said. So okay, fine, maybe I'm a breast, so you just drive me on. And let me be the passenger.
Yes, so true. Because of that, immediately we move into the Manchester sex position right away, baby. Because our wife will be very ready that they're going to watch it and then, you know. Is it easy? You can't do this one.
Oh, I can do it. I'll try.
You mean you can't do this style?
I can do it.
Wait, dear. It's so easy. Tonight, to all married couples, Moshe Odo Ahomaso, baby, just try it. Because when you know you have to exercise your tie. Into your kakana brother chiao. So you'll be perfect on it. But let's come back again. Adishima myself in fact course be a bio. Near my pana yakano fa walk it. The way juma from pabo touch rebellion. But I say ye babe pon ejuma day. I was say it me day but I say this summer. And yenya me adomo. We just have tomorrow to go.
Yepamucho Saturdays. Kobo girls for baby amushebia year groups for be fitted 19 school
from 1927 if you are not deaf and now it doesn't matter your age. We want to see you.
Please come. There's going to be lots of fun. There's going to be
and I said Appian Way for let's say the Appian Way people they have to come.
They will come. They will be there. And you know they are more active than us.
Oh yes,
they do well.
Association any atia diabo. Association wo hoda dada company foi from 1927. O my shemwa mene yenso ye de ho kakra ba gym. Enti afeni be be no waiting but we want all of them to come. No one say yes, you're holding it. So continue.
Enti me pamocho mu nyina mo bra. There's going to be food. Oh ba na betimi de aduane aba, fe aduane bra.
Man for be a
drinks because in the funny there's going to be souvenirs, a lot of Koga souvenirs around.
Oh, really?
Bring a lot of cash to
come and
buy some, and then as well as whole bands na jabuta see and him say yeah canopy walkway na they didn't when we come together at least we'll make it work. Okay, and then your health screening so and also on Saturday into your pamucho. Oh dear bra, only excuse me.
Screening, no, I know they will check your heart. You better check it with dental. Or see, I hear kakano. They say the piano be seen to brand free. Free.
And pap smear. So I won't say
pap smear has to be there. It's important. Yeah, can check on your mama. A better help any
item.
Okay, I know a better help for you to know whether they have a cervical cancer or not. Yes. Yes. Free. Crumble will shine.
Yeah, Obiambra na occasion a grand one.
And grand one. Okay. But we are coming with our families.
Yes. Wow, obia of our family for me na abra.
Madam for be na aba.
Okunu kura ni bebi akokoda o de fa ne bra.
Ai.
Say uji we no all baby sitting kola no.
No baby sitting kola no. Chalo ye bia.
Into your krobo husbands, krobo kids. And then
you know what we do? When our husband gets there, we make sure they play the football for us. Football now, man. Oh, okay. But we'll play. Shall I come and see me?
And the following.
Me koto nama serve volley na. Wow. You wanted to say something?
And the following Sunday, no. You be call Thanksgiving service.
Service, okay.
Ewo Ebenezer Church Hall, Brazil.
Ewo Subona. Yeah.
9:30 a.m. And only a white. Na di entuma no. Sash no.
Also Salem Presby. That's what we're going to go on Sunday.
After activities now, the Sunday near Thanksgiving.
Okay.
And yeah, Pomucho. Omuba Saturday na Sunday no so ye
Saturday venue ni who ka Saturday won ka venue no.
Osu Salem Park.
Osu Salem Park.
Ehwa.
Ye wo brass band e be sa dia match.
Brass band no from 4 to 5 na ye abepon no. Na ye si Osu Krom.
Ankasa.
Ye wo Krom ankasa say dede. Na obi anti ye ankasa Krom girls for ye wo Krom.
Ye wo Krom. Ni wo Krom so ni wo Krom o. Ahia moko. Oh, I think I have some few time. We cannot go and then not allowing them to call into the show again. We are here for you. Monty anywha. Yes, we enti na musmu mufie no. Enti na obetimi afrebio 0302 211 701 211 702 211 703 and afi 211 704. Odo Ahomaso Saturday all road leads to the Osu Salem Park from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Our canopies, our design competition, and yeah, easy. You know, maybe there's something hurting you. And that's why I can say, hey, I'm a girl, so this year I'm coming, oh, Charlie. Hey, imagine jammy, anything. Say relationship show you're doing. What do you want to say? And they are coming more far. And I empower baby mo. Or dressing the importance of the shape. Oh, and when here say Obesha will draw no. It's difficult, but when you say yes, I can. Oh, hi, Kofi. Yamakwa body Odo Ahomaso Kofi. Hello, Kofi.
Mama Zimbi.
Me da say. Na Kofi Frefi Ivan.
Frefi Kumase.
Kumase. Na de na woni ansansa de na esie.
No problem kakra bi Mama Zimbi.
Enti na me san bi line si. Wo a wonti anti etie. Me Kofi eti on ba to kasa.
Na ma worry me re pe fi na ni.
Aha.
Na machi. Wa fa machi. Ene oba be ma foforo akoda.
Ofa machi ko. Na wo so ba.
And so stay no. You know ba no in fact. Na me stay no me nye nya do bi afama ni bi.
Me pa show.
Me ne won kola so mi no.
Wo na wo che no. Ana no confess ma o.
But me ana me che no.
Hey, we are
there. Me ne no na me so fa machi.
We are there. We are there che no.
Me threat no. Ma boni bia no. Ana obebu manim ko tuje se ya no kure. Wa yesa ade no. Enti me fa nche no.
Also bo yiri bia.
Obi a me kana sempa enso no. Me de che no so kura bi se se ma ko.
Brakofi.
Mama.
Me pa so bo yiri dua. Hello.
I say that certain no, but my head.
And the one, yeah, okay.
I said be obekano kure.
And you kind of kure no. Na on my reason till Jan no be ma foforo any da.
Say am pa. Why you be sir?
Na I say identity no ma be ma ni di no. Emre okunu.
If I say
e ba ne sen e no Jan ho ma be ma foforo di no. Ade wunni no. Enso no. Identity na be ma foforo ti mi di no.
Me ne ye bibia me crampo no pese le kura che no but okodidi asofo bi no machi
Na asofo de ka se dey.
Asofo no kwala ni bi ne yes ade no.
Asofo omo di as oh Jesus. Oh anyway, and sat any na anya pe. And say ko fika twa me.
Obi an for mani biem.
Obi asa pa wuchi ni we no. Obi asa ka ofa ni biom.
There be ano dey wanye bibiem.
But Emma would swati na.
Every ase omu anas manyala would be amana na mene chikama but omu esa be simiti say me ira matisi kaya no ho ande no bi na esa no na me hunu na me rasa ho me ho
yo
just was a do okra me timi yini na magu amonte but me kan so mama dan fu bi aso nte
enti yo
because of do am wo mano ndi
all right
ise hunu na esa ame
yo openi me the pass will call it me be through Emma bebre first ade we mu and Emma bebre so first ade we mu na de ba ko and say ye ka se ye di cha e was etimi e de che because infum so say ni de etimi ba awade mu enti mesro oyiri wo nchen se si akra na me mpese me bisa na asem bia ne be wasa koka bibi amana aba oya ono aye because no e di nsem bebre ba me pa cho obi wo wa boduo wo moduo wa ba chi ne feel go be ka so menyeye but say way nyankopon mo adwen bi no hwehwura no na wetimi aka no kra mesrew be ma no yifu akomem wate enti wo chi na che
abia ba ko asa ma me sheda enye ayi ni se
me ba che ti o
me o yes I didn't be no be phone
wo je ni phone
to recording na me fese bia obesa akosone be ma no communicate yana nti me je ni phone de to recording no no ati ne ya ka so ni na wi am ka so ma dia tunu no o sa no bo ni communicate yese they say the account in Nigeria, no son to say into or movie jai. On him when you say that into no listening to the phone to record into a buy and I'm the phone. Lammy, some boy and I'm the channel. Some both on it. Casa can be unavoided. When I say we need him, so they say we are to a trend me so inside and now. Miko boss are doing and the children on Casana Mammy. Master and Mammy, some women in good retreat the other day. But as I say, when he said, if we are making a phone to recording, I was saying, yes, I didn't need to be sense was the signing it to be a meant me and yes, I didn't be answer and but still no be no better so I yes, I didn't. And as I boom you can yes, I did.
Matty,
come a jabby, Yamanaka.
Me, I say, me, I can go with
you. Yes, I know, Beman, a coffin.
Ampa. Me say me kra nke be mi hu enti e wo hu ene kra enye me wanwa but mpacho wan kasa said de oye wo hu detective wo ma wani da form no ma me kakra ma sama wani na form bio wo sa de ni bio mpa de a na e ni su ene ne ban na be wanya abotre and steady no because oba de ene be ma de so be ja ne yere ho no ne ba fa akoda na wasan ba na ye chi no na me nya bi no be san akoye no e be ya asem San or bounce were very, very dangerous. Now, bet money more, yes, I don't know who's spring at me. Obey and then all didn't that devil was a sad thing, son, and happy now, beer, no, you know, chim, plan be that. Now, I'll call you fast, and I'll call you one dear, and tip your band on it, and crown, or no, and fina kumem. And I said, the old castle, soft. I saw for being moon, yeah, and pass my castle for the because I saw for the one bomb pie, mammy. Ye ka say omuti omoshe bebre di omo so omo respect omo ho ne omo yiremo e ne mapa atantanfo bi no mu no e na omo ye se ne ma emfata so entimesrew sanfa wani to form kakra bio na me nama no e 0244 261200 and me bia frame me sanso ye me WhatsApp number and me bia frame me every the part that he call came through. This is a very serious issue, but on that note, let me say Krobo will shine.
Oh yes.
Yes. But you
Krobo
come
is
on
shining.
It's really shining. And he invites you to Osu Salem Park Saturday, 6 p.m. by 9 yeah, Shebi say. Sorry, 6 a.m. Why? Namomra. But sweetheart, Flo,
Yes,
you were super on Odo Ahomaso.
Thank you very much.
Gloria, hello. You were just super. Our viewers are the masters. I mean, bringing their comments and everything. We love you to the max. Hey, my cameraman, my sound man, my set designer, my light man, MCR, producer, director, and you. Keep on praying for us. Ozamina, mina, mina, mina. Ozamina, mina, wapiwa. Ozamina, mina, alele, alele. Alele, go see Pantama, Avele, Ozamina, Avele.
CD,
Alobo,
2 CD,
Alobo,
3 CD,
Alobo,
Alobo, Mafio,